What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Steve's Project Car Garage. My name is Steve, and today we're coming to you from the Central Florida British Car Club's car show here in beautiful Sanford, Florida. So stick around, grab yourself a cup of Jita Juice, and let's check out some cars. How ironic is it that I walk up and the very first car that I see is a 1970 Spitfire. Look at this beauty. This is almost a reflection of what my car is going to be like once we have it complete. Beautiful red paint job. It's got the very nice roundel on it. Gonna be taking a lot of notes on this car. All right, so I was able to convince him to pop open the bonnet. Let me take a look here. He's got this thing all stock, all original as can be. Absolutely incredible in here. He's got the Zenith Stromberg carburetor. He's got the generator. Taking a lot of notes. This is the most original 70 that I've run across. So I'm using it all for reference. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I had a wonderful chat with these folks over here. I got their Spitfires. These are the only Spitfires here at the show. And they're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and very inspirational to see. Let's check out what else we got around here. We got some TR8s over here. There's a couple of TR4s, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this whole row of them. That's a TR350, beautiful. Gorgeous though, I love it. a beauty. Look at that. Gorgeous Esprit. Love the colors. Now on to some of the most beautiful cars ever made. Jaguar E-Types. I love the fact this guy's got his radar detector on in here. It's not something I'll have to worry about with the Spitfire, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Could you imagine having to balance 4 carburetors? Jaguar always made even beautiful engines. Look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Looks like coming right out of an aircraft. 1955 XK 140.
They call it, I love that round.
All right, got a TR250 here.
That's what the clients love. So basically after all that, they go ahead and say, you know what, James? There's one thing I love about the car. The experience.
Look at that. Wow. That's beautiful. This looks like a real survivor. That is absolutely incredible. May have had a respray at one point, but it's an honest car. I love it. I love it. All right, wow, now that's a cool conversion.
Isn't that?
Yep. You didn't tell me that there was an EV parked right next to you.
Oh, is this oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, he's an engineer.
Did he do it himself?
Yeah, he did.
Because I wondered who did that. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You got the Tesla charging port right there.
Yeah.
That's cool. I always said that if the engine of my Spitfire grenades, that's going to be the route that I'm going to go. Hey, he's even got a shifter in it and everything too. That's cool. See, that's how you do it. That's wicked cool. All right, well that does it here at the car show. Some really cool cars here. A lot of great folks. If you're in the Florida area and you haven't checked out their show yet, you totally should. This is the Central Florida British Car British Car Club of Central Florida. I had to look that up. These guys are great. Really cool group and gorgeous cars. So we'll check with you all later. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Click the bell to get those post notifications. And we're working on project cars like any of these. Don't be that dreaded previous owner. Cheers.